Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 19th question in exercise 4.2. Let's start with the first subdivision. So without performing expansions, we need to prove the value of this determinant is going to be equal to this particular expression. So let's start with the first transformation. R1 is going to be equal to R1 minus R2. And let's make this change. So in this case, it will become x minus alpha, y minus x, and in the last one, it will become 0. The rest of the rows, I'm leaving it as such. So in this case, this is alpha, x, and 1. Then there is an alpha, beta, and there is a 1. The next transformation that I'm going to make here is going to be R2 is equal to R2 minus R3. So in this case, alpha minus alpha will vanish. So let's see how that happens. So x minus alpha, y minus x, 0. Alpha minus alpha is 0. This will become x minus beta. 1 minus 1 is 0. The last row will remain as such. So alpha, beta, and 1. Now you can expand the entire matrix along this particular column. So which means all you need to do is cross multiplication of this minus this. Either way 0 into this is gone. So the value of this particular determinant will be directly x minus alpha into x minus beta. Directly proved into this part. Now let's move to the second subdivision with this particular determinant. So here it is 1, 1, 1, x, y. And this part is x plus y, y, and here it is x and x plus y. So first what we are going to do, we are going to make the first transformation. R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. So let's see how the determinant changes. The first row remains as such. The second row is second row minus first row. So 1 minus 1 is 0. X plus y minus x is going to be y. Y minus y is 0. Now the last row, I'm going to retain it as such for now. So now let's see 1x and x plus y, I wrote it as such. The next transformation that we can make is R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So in this case what happens, I'm going to keep the first row as such 1xy. The second row is already done, so 0y 0. The last row, it is 1 minus 1 is 0, x minus x is 0, x plus y minus y is going to be simply x. Now you can expand along this particular row because it has two zeros. So all you have to do is cross multiply. So 1 into y is y minus 0. So this is y into, you have this coefficient which is x. So the final answer for this determinant is xy, and that's what they asked us to prove. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 20th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.